Top 5 Best apps to learn Spanish. Spanish is one of the most spoken languages in the world, and whether you're learning for travel, work, or just for fun, having the right app can make all the difference. But with so many options out there, which one is truly the best? Today, we are counting down the top 5 best apps to learn Spanish that will help you become fluent faster and more effectively. Stick around, because the number 1 pick might surprise you. Number 5 Duolingo. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have Duolingo, one of the most popular language learning apps in the world. Duolingo is great for beginners because it makes learning fun and easy with gamified lessons. You earn points, unlock levels, and even compete with friends while practicing Spanish. It covers vocabulary, sentence structure, and basic grammar, all in bite-sized lessons. However, while Duolingo is a good starting point, it doesn't focus much on real conversation skills, which is why it doesn't rank higher on our list. If you want to learn Spanish casually, Duolingo is a solid choice, but if you're serious about fluency, keep watching. Number 4 Babbel. Coming in at number 4 is Babbel, a language learning app designed by linguists to help you learn Spanish more effectively. Unlike Duolingo, Babbel offers structured lessons that focus on practical conversations. It teaches you grammar, pronunciation, and cultural insights, making it much more useful for real-life situations. Plus, it adapts to your learning pace and provides personalized review sessions to reinforce what you've learned. If you want a more professional and structured approach to learning Spanish, Babbel is a fantastic choice. Number 3 Busuu. At number 3, we have Busuu, an app that combines AI technology with human interaction to help you learn Spanish faster. One of Busuu's standout features is that you can practice speaking with native Spanish speakers who provide real feedback on your pronunciation and grammar. It also offers grammar-focused lessons, interactive exercises, and even a study plan that adjusts to your goals. If you want a more immersive experience with real conversations, Busuu is an excellent alternative. Number 2 Pimsleur. Taking the number 2 spot is Pimsleur, a powerful app that focuses on listening and speaking skills rather than just vocabulary and translations. Pimsleur is based on a proven audio learning method where you listen to and repeat conversations in a natural format. The lessons are designed to train your brain to think in Spanish, making it one of the best apps for improving spoken fluency. If your main goal is to speak Spanish confidently, Pimsleur is one of the best choices out there. Number 1 Rosetta Stone. And finally, at number 1 we have Rosetta Stone, the gold standard of language learning apps. Unlike other apps that rely on translations, Rosetta Stone uses an immersion method teaching Spanish the way you learn your first language, through context, images, and native speech. This helps you develop a natural understanding of the language without relying on memorization. It also features a speech recognition technology that helps you perfect your pronunciation. If you're serious about mastering Spanish, Rosetta Stone is the best app to get you there. Final thoughts. So there you have it, the top 5 best apps to learn Spanish. Whether you prefer fun gamified lessons, structured courses, real conversations, or immersive learning, there's an app that fits your style. Which one do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.